Every year, millions of people are affected by kidney disease. But what if we could predict and prevent it before it's too late? That's the goal of the Heal-A-Thon, a hackathon event dedicated to advancing healthcare data science and fostering innovation in the field of kidney disease prediction and treatment. Thanks to our partnership with Myraa Technologies and Airtics, 200 selected participants from around the world will have the opportunity to receive a comprehensive 1-month free training program, free of cost, to ensure they are well equipped to tackle the 4 major projects we will be focusing on: diabetic kidney failure prediction, prediction of cancer for diabetic renal patients, gender inequalities in bladder and renal cancer, and machine learning for kidney cancer. Join us on March 7th, 8th, and 9th, 2023, in honor of World Kidney Day. Together, we can make a difference in the lives of those affected by kidney disease. The Heal-A-Thon. Join us, and drive innovation in the healthcare industry. Together, we can predict and prevent kidney disease before it's too late.